Hello and welcome to IM Labs. In this video, we will show how to configure DHCP Dynamic Host Control Protocol using Cisco Packet Tracer. For that, I have opened my Cisco Packet Tracer and I will build a basic network here. So for the basic network, I will take a router, that is a PT router. I will take a PT switch and I will take 3 PCs. And now I will make the connection in between them. So for different kind of devices we need to use copper straight cable. So here the connections are done. Now I will decide the network which I will configure here. So for that I will open my notepad. I will choose class C IP for this, class C, and therefore I choose this network 192.168.0.0. This will be my network ID. Next I will, as the router ID or the default gateway, I will choose 192.168.0.1, that is the default notation, and as the DNS server I will choose 8.8.8.8. So this is the network that I am going to configure and do the dynamic host control protocol or DHCP. So what will this DHCP help me out? Here I have taken only 3 computer, but if I suppose there are 250 computer, it is not possible to give IP to each and computer separately and manually. So therefore I will configure this protocol in my router so that whenever a new device get connected to this network, automatically the DHCP assigns IP to the device. So now let us start. I will start by configuring the IP to my router. So I will go to the router, I will go to CLI and I will start the coding. So here it is asking that if I want to go into the initial configuration, I will go for no and press return to get started. So I just press enter. From here I will type enable to enter the router's admin mode, and from there I will type configure terminal to go to the config mode. Here I will enter the interface. So what is my interface where my IP needs to be configured? So it's FA0/0. To check the interfaces, I will turn on the port level option. So here it is FA0/0. So therefore I will go to interface fast Ethernet 0/0. So I am into the interface. Here I will give the IP address 192.168.0.1, and as this is a class C IP address, the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Next I will need to turn on the port status. So for that I will do no shutdown. So here my port state is up and the port is on. Now I will exit. Once I have done the IP allocation in my router, next I will go for the DHCP configuration. So for the DHCP configuration, we need to give a name to the DHCP pool. So the first command is IP DHCP pool Suppose I give the name as IEM Labs. So here I am onto the DHCP pool. Here, as I have already allocated these two IP address, this is my network ID and this is my default gateway, I need to exclude these two IP address from my DHCP pool. So therefore I will type IP DHCP excluded hyphen address and then the IP addresses which I need to exclude, 192.168.0.0 and 0.1. So I have excluded the addresses. Once again I will go into the pool and now I will first give the network. So therefore network 192.168.0.0 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Next I need to give the default gateway. So the command is default hyphen router 192.168.0.1 and the DNS server 8.8.8.8. So I am done. Exit. So the DHCP has been configured. Now let us test for the DHCP. So I will open this PC, I will go to desktop, IP configuration and click on DHCP. So here the DHCP request is successful and the IP has been allocated with the default gateway and DNS server which I provided. So let me go to the next desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. Here again I have got the IP and finally this one, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. So here also I have got the IP. Now let me add another device into this network. Suppose this one. I hope this switch doesn't have any more empty slots, but let me just try once. If there is an empty slot I will connect. Okay, so empty slot is not there, so I will need to add a fast Ethernet port to the switch. So I have done that and turn on. So let us just wait for 2 seconds for the switch to get turned on. So here the network is on. Once again I will ask for the DHCP. So the IPs are getting assigned. Yeah, so now let me just connect this laptop to the system and let us just wait for 2 seconds for this orange dot to turn green, that is the port status to get turned on. Once it is done I will request for the DHCP and the IP will get assigned. So here the arrow has turned green. So let me just go to the laptop, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP. So here the IP has been assigned. So this is how you can configure DHCP protocol in Cisco Packet Tracer. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.